1. Doji candlesticks indicate indecision in the market. And there are three types of doji, namely, long leg doji, dragonfly doji and gravestone doji. 2. Spinning top, also depicts indecision in the market. It has a small real body with a longer upper and lower shadow. 3. Hammer candlesticks, is a reversal candlestick usually found in a downtrend, and signals an uptrend. It has a short upper shadow, a real body and longer lower shadow. 4. Shooting star, is a reversal candlestick, usually found in an uptrend, and signals a downward move. It has a longer lower shadow, a real body and shorter upper shadow. 5. Marubozu, is a candlestick without a shadow. 6. Engulfing, is a two-candle pattern that signals reversal. There are two types. Bullish engulfing, is a two-candle pattern where there is a bullish candle that is bigger than previous bearish candle. It is commonly found in a downtrend and signals uptrend. Bearish engulfing, is a two-candle pattern where there is a bearish candle that is bigger than previous bullish candle. It is commonly found in an uptrend and signals a downtrend. 7. Railroad track, is a two-candle pattern which are almost of the same length. It is also a reversal candle pattern. The bullish railroad track has the bullish candle after a bearish candle, while the bearish railroad track has the bearish candle after a bullish candle. 8. Inside candle, is a two-candle formation. It could be used to predict continuation or reversal of trend. The bullish inside candle has a bullish candle that is smaller than the bearish candle before it, while bearish inside candle has a bearish candle that is smaller than the bullish candle before it. 9. Pivot top, is a three-candle reversal pattern, where the high of the middle candle is higher than the candle before and after it. 10. Pivot bottom, is a three-candle reversal pattern where the low of the middle candle is lower than the candle before and after it. 1. Identify trend. You need to know the trend of the market at the moment. First, check the order flow of price, to have an idea. 2. Check for the support and resistance zone, highs and lows. Series of higher highs and higher lows establishes an uptrend, and series of lower highs and lower lows establishes a downtrend.